घर जैसा खाना और पहाड़ों जैसा सुकून, इसकी तलाश में इस बार हम आ गए हैं अल्मोड़ा में। एक बहुत ही ऑफबीट लोकेशन है। ये बसोट विलेज के पास एक बहुत ही प्यारा क्वेंट सा होम स्टे है और यहाँ आने के लिए हमें सिर्फ 6 घंटे लगे दिल्ली से। तो वो सब लोग जो हमसे पूछते रहते हैं कि 6-7 घंटे में दिल्ली से हम कहाँ जा सकते हैं, जहाँ पे पीसफुल जगह हो, अच्छा खाना हो और थोड़ा बहुत कुछ करने के लिए भी हो। I think Nivriti Summit View would be a perfect place for them. We are on our way to Almora from Delhi. This is going to be an offbeat trip. We started driving from Delhi say around 7:15, and we are planning to reach our homestay by around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. As of now, we've just taken a pit stop just to stretch our legs and to have some nimbu pani and strawberries. So far, the roads have been fantastic. I mean, we did not get any trouble road condition wise. Sabhi roads बढ़िया है एकदम. We are driven by our driver भैया. I'm not driving this time. It's fun to sit on a pillion seat actually. So, but roads are good. We didn't face a lot of jams. There were a few, but not very long. So we've been to Almora before, but not this side. So this is Basot. Weather is also very pleasant. I mean, it's not biting cold. Maybe in the evening, but as of now, it's very pleasant. From a distance, I can see the homestay on top of a hill. From here, it looks like it's the other part of the world. It looks very far, but apparently it's, maybe on the other side of the mountain. So it's going to take us 20 minutes to reach there. So almost there. Basot is located midway between Corbett National Park and Ranikhet, and the last 800 meters to our homestay here are on a Kacha road, but it's still drivable. This actually adds to the excitement of reaching the destination. We reached late afternoon and our food was ready, so we straight away had lunch even before checking our rooms. I don't know whether I chase sunsets or sunsets have started chasing us. Wherever we go, we end up watching some breathtaking sunsets. From Mukteshwar's Choli Ki Jali to White Run of Kutch, we have seen some awe-inspiring sunsets. To add another beautiful sunset to our kitty, we are at Pasot in Uttarakhand and we are staying at this beautiful property called Nivriti Summit View. And I had no idea that I don't even have to trek up to another point to watch this beautiful sunset. I mean, we are watching this gorgeous, gorgeous sunset from the balcony itself. And you can see the colors behind me. This is, as you call it, hashtag no filter sunset. Absolutely breathtakingly beautiful. Do enjoy the view. We spent the evenings having soup and reading books by the fireplace. After dinner, we called it a day. Next morning, we woke up well rested, had lazy breakfast in the sun, and soaked in the view from the homestay. If you're done working from office and working from home and looking for a great place to work from mountains, we have a suggestion for you. Nivriti Summit View in Basot in Almora is actually a great place that offers breathtaking views with pin drop silence and amazing Wi-Fi. So it's a great place to work from mountains. And actually, I don't want to work from mountains, but such is life. You have to sometimes. So why compromise on that? So we are mixing pleasure with work. You should give it a try. सो दिस इज़ उत्तराखंड ऑन अ प्लेटर। अगर हम उत्तराखंड आए और उत्तराखंड का खाना ना ट्राई करें तो हमारा ट्रिप अधूरा है। थैंकफुली इन लोग ने हमारे लिए आज लोकल फूड का अरेंजमेंट करा है, स्पेशली उत्तराखंड का खाना। और लंच में है उत्तराखंड की स्पेशल डिशेज़ जैसे लाई का साग, मूली का रायता, भाट की चुरकानी, राइस और सैलेड। और साथ में मंडवे की रोटी। नॉट जस्ट दैट दिस फूड इज़ वेरी टेस्टी, ये आई थिंक इंडिया के मोस्ट न्यूट्रिशियस खानों में से एक है। We don't leave any opportunity to try Uttarakhand food, and we are very thankful to the homestay guys, to the staff here, that they've arranged this lunch for us. And we also believe that any place is as good or as bad as its people. So staff here is fantastic. They work like Santa's elves, continuously working silently, taking care of all our needs. And this food is actually cherry on the cake. So big thanks to Nivriti Summit View. Basot in Uttarakhand is not a place where you have a lot of things to do. It's more like a place to be. But we are here for like more than 24 hours, and we thought of exploring this place a little. So now locals told us that there's a temple called Bhauna Devi. So now we are on our way to Bhauna Devi. There's small trekking involved, like 1.5 kilometers, and it's a moderate track. So we've done a lot of strenuous treks. This is quite comfortable. If I compare it with other tracks, so it's a very small track, and this place is so divine. What else can you expect, apart from divinity? So we are on our way to divinity. We are on our way to Bhana Devi. सर्व मंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते. We trekked up to Bhavana Devi temple. Bhavana Devi is a local goddess. यहाँ के लोगों की आस्था का प्रतीक है. It's a quaint temple atop a hill, very peaceful surrounding, and as everywhere in Uttarakhand, breathtaking views. Divinity यहाँ कूट कूट कर भरी हुई है, और मुझे लगता है भावना देवी को अगर रहने के लिए कोई जगह चाहिए होगी तो शायद इससे बेहतर नहीं हो सकती. एकदम डिवाइन, एकदम पीसफुल. इनफैक्ट अभी लग रहा है कि कुछ देर यहाँ बैठ के जस्ट इस डिविनिटी को एब्जॉर्ब करें. देयर इज समथिंग मैजिकल अबाउट दिस प्लेस. सनसेट होते होते हम अपने होमस्टे पर वापस लौट आए, जहाँ चाय और पहाड़ों वाली मैगी हमारा वेट कर रही थी. निवृत्ति समिट व्यू में एक विला है जिसके अंदर 3 रूम्स हैं. एक बड़ा रूम है काफ़ी, और 2 नॉर्मल साइज़ रूम्स हैं, और उसके अलावा बाहर एक कॉटेज है जिसमें 3 रूम्स हैं. तो कुल मिला के यहाँ पे 6 रूम्स हैं. यू कैन टेक दिस होल प्लेस, और यू कैन टेक वन पर्टिकुलर रूम बेस्ड ऑन नंबर ऑफ पीपल हू आर कमिंग विद यू. सभी रूम्स बहुत कोज़ी हैं. आप किसी भी रूम में हो, यू आर इन फॉर सम अमेजिंग माउंटेन मैजिक एट निवृत्ति समिट व्यू. रानीखेत, जिम कॉर्बेट, अल्मोड़ा, ये सभी जगहें यहाँ से 1 डेढ़ घंटे के ड्राइव पर हैं. उन तीनों जगह आप अपने डे ट्रिप कर सकते हैं और शाम को वापस आ सकते हैं. तो आप सुकून में रह सकते हैं, और अगर आपको एक्टिविटी ओरिएंटेड वेकेशन चाहिए, तो आप इन जगह पे जाकर इन जगहों को भी एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं और वापस अपने कुकून में आ सकते हैं, रेस्ट कर सकते हैं, रात को रिचार्ज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग यू आर गुड टू गो टू अनदर डेस्टिनेशन. सो इट इज़ वेरी स्ट्रेटेजिकली लोकेटेड. यहाँ से आपको बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस मिल जाते हैं, लाइक सब ट्रिप्स करने के लिए. कहने को छोटी-सी जगह है, बट आज तीसरा दिन है और अभी भी हम इस जगह को एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. मतलब अभी तक हम अपने होमस्टे की दूसरी साइड पे बैठे हुए थे, बट अभी मैं इधर आया तो देखा देयर इज़ दिस नाइस प्लेस, नाइस बिग लॉन, और इन लॉन के बिल्कुल सामने स्नो क्लैड माउंटेन्स. तो ये देख के तो मेरा मन कर गया यहाँ पे थोड़ा-सा बैडमिंटन खेला जाए, बिकॉज़ इट्स अ वेरी सनी प्लेजेंट डे. और ऐसी जगह देख के ना यू रियली वांट टू इंडल्ज इंटू सम स्पोर्ट्स और सम एक्टिविटी ओरिएंटेड थिंग. तो मेरे को लगता है थोड़ा-सा बैडमिंटन खेला जाए. After breakfast, we got ready and decided to go for a day picnic. We drove for around 40 minutes to reach a point where we'll park our car and walk towards Ramganga river. In fact, we could see the river flowing below from the road. It's a trek of about 20-25 minutes inside the jungle, downhill towards the banks of the Ramganga river. फन एंड गेम्स हो गए, रिलैक्सेशन हो गए, वर्क फ्रॉम माउंटेन्स भी हो गए। हमने सोचा क्यों ना इस ट्रिप में थोड़ा-सा नॉस्टैल्जिया भी डिसॉल्व किया जाए। आपको याद होगा पिकनिक करते थे हम बचपन में, स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, कई बार फैमिली के साथ भी किसी पार्क में, नदी के किनारे। तो आज हम यहाँ से अपना तामझाम उठा के टेबल, वाटर और खाने का डब्बा जो आवर ग्रेशियस होस्ट निवृत्ति गाइस, दे हैव पैक्ड सम फूड फॉर अस एंड आई चेक्ड इट्स पूरी आलू। सो दे पैक्ड सम फूड फॉर अस। तो वो सब हम उठा के अब चल पड़े हैं रामगंगा रिवर के किनारे। वहाँ पे हम पिकनिक करने वाले हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू रीलिव दोज़ गुड ओल्ड डेज़ व्हेन पीपल वुड do picnics and people had time to do picnics. So come with us. Let's have picnic at the banks of Ramganga river. I'm Piscean, a water sign. Every time I'm near some water body, I have to jump in, I have to splash water. तो आज भी ये opportunity कैसे miss होने देते? So I just jumped into water and I splashed some water on my friends. So that was so much fun. Like I said, we are going to relive this nostalgia. So this is what we used to do as children. So that completes our picnic fun actually. Some mischief. I can't believe it's a Monday afternoon. We are turning our Monday blues into sky hues of Almora skies actually. Walk back to our homestay is a little uphill, so we are working up our appetite for the upcoming dinner. They make such nice food. We should actually have appetite for that. So that's what we are doing. Can't believe again, like it's a Monday afternoon, hidden inside a jungle and like so much, a little bit of trekking downhill, uphill. That's what they call as hidden gem. So we had this amazing picnic at Ramganga river bankside and we had so much fun. If you are in this zone, if you are in this region, or if you visit Nivriti homestay, then you must give it a try. We reached the homestay before dinner and had an amazing barbecue out in the lawns. Guys at the homestay made all arrangements and we had so much fun grilling our own kebabs. We sat outside by the fire and had an amazing time having conversations and looking at the stars. What a beautiful way to end the day. So finally, it's pack up time from the homestay, and we are leaving with a lot of stories, laughters, and a bag full of memories from Nivriti Summit View. But then, what to do? Delhi beckons, family beckons, work beckons. So we are on our way to Delhi. It's pack up time. Kumaon trips, Garhwal trips, Uttarakhand trips are incomplete without chocolate or bal mithais. This is how I take Uttarakhand with me to Delhi. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Delhi Fun News and press the bell icon to be notified of our new videos. Thank you for watching this video and we'll see you in the next one.